I'm Sabrina, this is my mom, and we are the Tasty Tins. And today we are making kale chips. So we have our stove on that we can cook right in front of us. And when we put the kale in, it's gonna pop a lot, just like we did against it. We had to back up so much.
Yeah, you want to make sure your kale is really dry. Okay, so there's two ways to make kale chips. One way is
in the oven or on the stove.
On the stove and deep frying it. So Sabrina got a new cookbook a few months ago. The Master Chef Kids TV show put out a cookbook, and so I got it for Sabrina. So we started looking at recipes we wanted to try, and she's a fan of kale chips, so we decided to try them the way they put it in there. And one of the kids in one of the seasons, they deep fry theirs. Sabrina's always had them baked, so we tried them deep fried. We like them that way. Yay, fried. So that's what we're going to show you today. But like she was saying, you want to make sure your kale is very dry or it will pop everywhere. And ours is mostly dry, but we may still get a few pops. And then you just want to make sure your oil is hot, and we're just using a regular vegetable oil. And then you want to have your seasonings ready. So we're going to use flaky salt and a barbecue seasoning, because I like mine barbecue seasoning on them.
Okay guys, our first small one turned out to be down there.
Our grease is hot.
Yep, and our grease is hot, and now I'm going to blot it right here.
Yeah, Sabrina's just going to blot it to take off any excess moisture. We try and get as much of it off as we can. Like I said, it's going to pop a little bit, so you want to be very careful doing this. So we're just going to drop it in.
Back up.
Go ahead.
And do. Oh God!
Okay, so you just want to be careful when you put the
Stuff in.
The kale in. It'll cook for about 10 to 20 seconds. That's really all it really needs. And then as soon as it gets out, we put it on a wire rack to dry. And then we immediately add our seasoning. So like I said, here's some flaky salt. Ooh, that's hot. Or some barbecue seasoning. And then we try. Want to taste it?
Sure.
Okay.
I love these kinds of kale chips. Just put it down here. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's part.
What is it? Just break a piece.
Hot. Oh yeah.
I did.
Hey Mom.
Yeah. And like I said, this is a very easy recipe, but we'll put it up on our website, tastytin.com.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, and we will see you next time.